You can't focus for more than 10 minutes. Not because you're lazy, not because you have ADHD, because you've been training your brain to fail. Every notification you check, every tab you open mid-sentence, every time you switch to your phone just for a second, you are practicing distraction. And the brain gets very good at what it practices. Right now, most people have an attention span calibrated for a 2-second scroll, not a 2-hour deep work session, and they wonder why their goals never move. Here's what nobody is telling you. Your attention span is a trainable muscle. It is not fixed. It is not genetic. And in 72 hours, you can begin a complete recalibration. Not through apps, not through supplements, not through some life hack, through the Nokia Method. Let's start with what's actually happening. Your brain has a novelty-seeking circuit that was designed to keep you alive in the wild. It gets rewarded every time it detects something new. That circuit evolved over hundreds of thousands of years. The smartphone was invented 15 years ago. You are running ancient hardware in a hyper-stimulated environment, and it is destroying your ability to sustain thought. Every time you feel that pull toward your phone when you're supposed to be working, that's not weakness. That's your novelty circuit firing. The problem is that you've been feeding it so much stimulation that it now requires input every few minutes just to feel calm. You've built a tolerance. And like any tolerance, the dose required to satisfy the craving keeps climbing while the output, your actual productive work, keeps falling. This is the attention debt spiral. The more distracted you are, the more distraction you need. And the deeper in debt you go, the harder it becomes to buy back even 10 minutes of real focus. The Nokia Method breaks the spiral at its root. Here's the idea. In the early days of mobile phones, the Nokia era, the most you could do with your phone was call someone or send a text. Scrolling didn't exist. Notifications didn't exist. The phone was a communication tool, not a stimulation machine. People in that era reported being able to sustain focus for hours without effort. Not because they were more disciplined, because their novelty circuit wasn't being hijacked 40 times a day. The Nokia Method recreates that environment. Not permanently, but strategically. For 72 hours, you run a forced recalibration protocol that resets your brain's baseline stimulation threshold. After 72 hours, your tolerance drops, your focus window expands, your craving for distraction weakens. It's not magic, it's neuroplasticity on a schedule. Here's how it works across 3 stages. Stage 1 is hours 0 to 24. This is the hard reset. You strip your phone to Nokia-level function. No social media, no news apps, no YouTube, no streaming, no browser surfing. You keep calls, texts, maps, and anything required for your actual work. That's it. During work sessions, the phone goes in a drawer or another room. Not silent, not face down, out of the room. The research is clear. The mere presence of a smartphone on the desk, even face down and silent, reduces your available cognitive capacity. Remove it completely. In this first stage, you will feel restless. That's expected. Your novelty circuit is recalibrating. When the urge hits, you don't fight it. You redirect. Pick up a book. Go for a walk without headphones. Stare out the window. Let the discomfort pass. Every time you do this, you are strengthening the exact neural pathway that makes sustained focus possible. Stage 2 is hours 24 to 48. This is where you build the replacement protocol. You introduce deliberate attention blocks. Timed work sessions with 0 digital input. Start with 25 minutes. 1 task, 1 tab, no switching. When the timer goes off, you take a 5-minute break that is completely offline. Stand up, stretch, look out the window, breathe. Then another block. Here's what you'll notice by the end of day 2. The restlessness is softer. The urge is still there, but it's quieter. That's your tolerance dropping. The sessions that felt impossible at hour 1 now feel achievable. Your brain is remembering what focus actually feels like, and it likes it. Stage 3 is hours 48 to 72. This is the identity lock. You extend your focus blocks to 45 minutes, then 60. You introduce what I call the boredom tax. 1 unstructured hour each day with no input of any kind. Sit quietly, walk without destination, do nothing. This sounds pointless. It is not. Boredom is the incubation chamber for your deepest thinking. Every major idea, creative breakthrough, and long-range plan you've ever had came from a quiet mind, not a stimulated one. You're not wasting time when you're bored. You're mining it. By hour 72, something has shifted. Most people report feeling calmer, more in control of their thoughts, and, crucially, able to sustain focus for longer stretches without the internal fighting that plagued them before. The baseline has moved. Now here's the identity shift I want you to make. Stop identifying as someone who can't focus. That's not who you are. That's a habit pattern you've reinforced. The Nokia Method is proof that the pattern can change in 72 hours. 3 days. Less time than most people spend in 1 week watching content that means nothing. The people who get things done in this world are not superhuman. They have not mastered self-control in some mystical way. They have simply protected their attention with the same intensity that other people protect their money. Your focus is currency. Every distraction is a withdrawal. Most people are broke. Not because they have nothing, but because they keep spending before they can save. The Nokia Method is your first deposit. Here's your action step for today. Before you go to sleep tonight, pick your 72-hour window. Mark it on your calendar. Then do one thing right now. Go to your phone settings and delete, not disable, delete, one social media app that you habitually open first thing in the morning. Just one. The act of deletion is the signal to your brain that something is changing. You are not fighting, you are rebuilding. Drop the word focus in the comments if you're starting the Nokia Method this week. Let's build a crowd of people who are done letting their attention be harvested.